Stuart and Elaine, are you here? Hi.
Are you here, Tom? Are you at peace? Are you happy, Mom?
A witch. I'm not a witch. This is just a radio.
Are you far away from here?
Up.
Are you on another planet? Up where?
Earth, he said. Said Earth. Hi. Hi. Is there someone you'd like to speak to? Are you related to someone on this block? Do you have anything? I'm Kenda, and this is Ken, and that's Brenda over there. Do you have a message for anyone? Hello. Are you the one that's... Okay, well, thank you for speaking with me. Would you all go back where you came from, please? I sure appreciate it. Thank you for helping me with the radio.
Do you feel well?
Oh, that's not nice.
What do you say?
Shut up.
Shut up. What's it like there, Tom?
Good.
Can you help? Can you help develop a machine to communicate, Tom?
There is one, he said. Did I hear someone say Mom? Is there someone there who said Mom?
Yep.
Oh, hi. Who is your mother? Was Bren? Who's your mother? Thank you so much for speaking with us. Thank you. Go back from wherever you came. Thank you. I want to shut that portal and let them be at peace here, okay? Thank you. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.